Alam mo ba na may bagong Layer 1 blockchain na super bilis at low cost? Meet Sonic Protocol. Ito ang rebranded version ng Phantom, pero mas advanced at developer-friendly. In less than 2 minutes, I'll explain why this is a game changer. So ano nga ba ang Sonic Protocol? Sonic is a Layer 1 blockchain na dinesign for high-speed and low-cost transactions. So ito ang evolution ng Phantom, pero mas optimized sa developers and users. By the way guys, kung gusto mo maging part ng Sonic Protocol community, join JERTG Group. Makisali ka sa mga discussions and updates, nasa bio ko lang yung link. So nasa isip mo siguro kung anong problema ang sinusolusyonan ng project na to. Una dyan is mahal na transaction fees sa ibang blockchains. Sa Sonic, mas mura at cost efficient. Number 2, mabagal na processing times. Sonic can handle 900 million transactions per day yan with 99.9% uptime in the last 4 years. Number 3, limited blockchain scalability. Sonic gives developers a platform to build faster and more competitive dApps. So bakit nga ba ito mahalaga? Para sa mga developers, mas mabilis at mas madali gumawa ng mga decentralized apps or dApps. For users naman, pwede kang mag-participate as validator at mag-earn from staking. For the entire blockchain space, a faster and more scalable alternative sa ibang layer 1 chain. So kung tatanungin mo ano nga ba ang pwedeng gawin sa Sonic, tatlo lang yan: develop dApps, build apps with low cost and fast transactions. Number 2, stake and validate. Earn passive income by helping secure the network. Number 3, use Sonic-powered applications. Enjoy decentralized applications running on a high-speed blockchain. Don't forget to be part of your community. Nasa bio ko lang yung link.